Everybody, myself Dr. Nilima Thongre. I am a faculty of MET's Institute of Pharmacy, Bhujbal Knowledge City, Nasik. I was very fortunate to be a part of faculty development program which is conducted by AICT. This faculty development program was of 5 days and the topic for this faculty development program was fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft matter. Which is conducted by Kaviyatri Bahinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. All these sessions were very informative and I am sure that they will all add up to my knowledge. All the faculties who conducted the sessions were excellent and brilliantly conducted all the sessions, and definitely it will add a value in my knowledge. I firmly believe that this FDP was a great success for all of us, and success comes through great coordination and patience. So I would like to acknowledge here Dr. Tushar Deshpande for his great coordinating skills. Henceforth, I will be sure that I don't miss any one of the sessions, faculty development programs conducted by AICT, as it will definitely add great value to my knowledge. Thank you once again.
Hello. Okay, I am Dr. Nilesh Badgujar, working as an associate professor in SROP, SR Rotary Institute of Chemical Technology, Vataria, Ankaleshwar, Gujarat. I have attended this online faculty development program on fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft matter during 15-19 September 2020. Basically, this faculty development program, it is very much useful to me because I am working in the paint field. So the session conducted by this program, it was helpful for me for my research point of view. Basically, in this program, various sessions are conducted like rheology of complex fluid, then introduction of physical polymer science, then it also rheology basics and instrumentation. Then of course, and the application of this rheological concept in the industrial development, and also the one important session was conducted is viscoelasticity, and in the last session also AFM characterization. So it will helpful for me for my R&D. I am doing different R&D projects which is related to industrial point of view, and of course in paint also the use of this viscoelastic material when you are used. So of course the viscosity of that particular paint will be adjusted, and according to that we can get the better quality material by using this viscoelastic material. So the overall session was very good, and I am thankful to organizer for conducting this type of the faculty development program on fundamental on polymer rheology and soft matters. Thank you very much.
I am Dr. Pratibha Pandey, Assistant Professor in Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. I am highly glad to share my experience on this 5 days AICT sponsored faculty development program which was organized by KB Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. All the speakers and the sessions were highly informative and insightful, which are really very helpful in enhancing and exploring my research as well as academic capabilities. This FDP program has not only provided us the certificate but also helped us in exploring new areas in the field of science and technology, which we can also utilize for our research as well as for our students also, by which they can also explore these new ventures. Last but not least, the contribution of the organization was highly appreciable. Especially, I like to thank Dr. Tushar, who has helped us in every possible manner. Definitely, I would love to join such type of events organized by this institute in future. Thank you so much.
It was an enriching experience attending the 5 days workshop by UICT KBC Jalgaon. The workshop gave an holistic learning about the applications of viscoelasticity and rheology, ranging from industrial applications to research-specific areas such as food processing or biological cells. The organizers of the workshop were very considerate in acknowledging the diverse backgrounds of the participants. They took an extra care in ensuring that when the mathematics of the course went into depth, the participants from non-mathematics background do not get bogged down by the intensity of the course. It was really encouraging for me to see such an attitude from the organizers. As a participant, I loved attending this workshop, and I look forward to attending similar workshops in the future.
Myself, Vipul Kumar D. Prajapati, Associate Professor and Head of Department Pharmaceutics, SSR College of Pharmacy, Silvassa, Union Territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. I am highly thankful to Dr. Tushar Deshpande, Coordinator of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program. It was one of the best faculty development program organized by Coordinator Dr. Tushar Deshpande and his team, University Institute of Chemical Technology, Kavitri Behinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. In this online session, I learned number of things on fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft matter. Whatever the query raised by me during the session to all the invited speakers, I got the clarity of answers given by all the speakers. I learned lot of things regarding viscosity, different types of rheometers, how to use this measurement of viscoelastics and various kinds of materials which are utilized in pharmacy field, textile field, food field and chemical industries. I am highly thankful to the speakers such as Dr. Kapil Joshi, Dr. Sandeep Kotwade sir, Dr. Swati ma'am. They explained very well all the concepts of basics starting from the viscosity, viscoelasticity available in liquids, semi-solids and solids. Through these sessions, whatever the basic things we learn, it will be utilized in our routine practice. The arrangement was one of the best platform, that was Zoom Meet. Throughout the sessions without any interruptions, we got the training of this theme, that is biomimetics area, fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft metals. What are the industrial applications? We learned very well about the fundamentals of various kinds of polymers utilized in the various purpose. Thanks goes to entire team of Dr. Tushar Deshpande. Thank you once again.
Hello, I am Maniyandan N, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. I have attended this FDP on rheology and soft matter from 15 to 19th September. All the sessions were good, and especially the sessions which dealt with the modeling techniques of fluids and the mathematical formulations. Everything were explained very clearly in a detailed manner, and the time gap between the sessions were also enough for us to take breaks in between and have our lunch. The session from the resource person from Anton Parr was really impressive, and he gave an in-depth analysis into the measurement of rheological parameters of different fluids. So overall, it was a very good FTP, and it gave new ideas into my PhD also. Thank you.
Good morning, dear participants and organizers. I am here giving my feedback on the STTP organized by AICTE Atal initiative, that is from 15th of September to 19th of September. I have attended all the sessions, all the days, and I learned a lot of this particular topic, that is fundamentals of rheology and soft matter. In the day one, I had a good combination of learning experience with the basics of rheology, and in the afternoon session on day one, I have some experience of mathematical calculation based on elasticity, viscosity, and behavior of soft matter in polymers and all. So overall, in the second day also, third day also, fourth day also, and the fifth day, the experts give detailed information about each and every topic of the rheology, particularly for the polymers and the compounds used in biomimetics. And the instrumental part is very good. They explain the analysis part also in a manner that each and every faculty of all of us learn well. Many a times it has been observed that such type of online STTPs are not better than the offline FDP or STTP. But I just want to say here that this particular STTP is just at par with the offline also, because the way specifically Professor Balaji Iyer explained mathematical portion, I learned new things in a better way. And if some problem is there, they repeatedly give some tips how to solve basic mathematical problem based on this viscoelasticity and all subjects. I want to mention one more point, that I enjoy the learning experience with Professor Kulkarni of IIT Kanpur. Their lecture is very good. So in all the experts from IITs and all the national organization, they give the better input of the subject. It's really a faculty development program, as it is interdisciplinary, focusing on the basics of chemical science as well as its application to the medicinal sector, that is in the trend area biomimetics. So really I enjoy the learning experience during this time, that is 15th of September to 19th of September in the STTP, and I hope that in the future also I may find opportunity to join such type of better learning experience. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Bhagyashree Sudhir Shempe. I am pursuing MTech in Paint Technology in UICT, Kavayatri Bainabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. Thanks to AICTE for sponsored the faculty development program on the fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft matter had been organized during the 15 to 19 September 2020. During 15 to 19 September, we attended different lectures on different topics. All topics are very innovative and informative to all of us. Definitely it will be help in my future project work. On the 15th September, first lecture of Dr. Swati Patel ma'am entitled The Rheology of Complex Fluid. In that ma'am had been cover all the basics rheology, for example Newtonian, non-Newtonian fluid, flow behavior, storage modulus, what is gloss modulus. Overall lectures are informative and is very easy to understand. But after that some lectures was difficult to understand due to the little bit mathematical, but it was important to set up polymer deformation at molecular level. We know that rheology is very important rheology concept is very important, but we all of are new for the rheology concepts. On the 16th September, we attend the first lecture of yoga session of Dr. V.N. Lad sir. Thank you, sir, for explaining the importance of yoga in the day-to-day life. It's really feel very energetic and focused after doing yoga. After that, the second day, also we attend the different lectures in different sessions. The lectures of the Dr. Kapil Joshi sir also very nice. Lecture of Dr. Kapil Joshi sir also very nice. They give all the information about the rheology instrument, how the rheometer work, which type of model we used for the different for rheometer, which different type of the test we perform on the different fluids such as viscoelastic liquid and viscoelastic solid. How to predict the graph of the storage. How to predict the graph of the storage modulus versus loss modulus, shear rate versus shear strain, viscosity versus shear rate, etc. Also, the Dr. Expanded sir explained us what is rheology, what is meaning of rheology, difference between the solid and liquid in term of the force and shear stress, shear strain, viscosity, etc. The in term of the shear rate, flow where in term of the shear rate, classes of material system and their examples, all the basic terminology that we are used in rheology. Because of that, we got a thorough knowledge of the basic rheology. During 5 days, all sessions was very informative, and it definitely helped in our project work. I was learn a lot from this program, faculty development program. During the lectures, there was some network issue. Sometimes teachers was not clearly audible. Except that, overall FDP program was excellent. My sincere thanks to Dr. Deshpande sir was organizing such a informative talk. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Daphne Sharon, working as Assistant Professor in T. John College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. Recently, I have attended an online AICTE sponsored national level FDP on fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft matter. The FDP was organized by Kavayatri Bahinabai Chowdhury, North Maharashtra University. The FDP was about various aspects of rheology, covering biomimetics, soft matter, etc. Even though this particular field is very vast and bears a lot of different aspects of methodologies in it, this FDP covered most of the important topics. That is, starting from fundamentals of viscosity, polymer structure, applications of rheology in various fields, analytical data interpretations, and so on. The FDP covered all the fields ranging from chemical engineering, physics to material science, cell biology, pharmacy, and so on. I really appreciate the insight that was provided and the time the resource person took following the session to provide answers for all the queries related to the topic. That showed the commitment towards the FDP. I especially thank the course coordinator, Dr. Tushar Deshpande, who coordinated the FDP in such a calm, composed, and in a well-organized manner. Thank you for giving us all this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree Bhamre. I am MTech student from UICT KBC and Chalgaon. I am here to share my experience of FDP program on biomimetics, title it with the fundamentals of polymer rheology and soft matter, which had been conducted by University Institute of Chemical Technology with the help of AICTE. There were 8 sessions had been conducted. From that I learned a lot. Basics from the started with the basics of rheology to the application of rheology, polymer and biosciences. I didn't know the lots of things at the start, but I learned from the guidance of various experts and teachers where they taught us a rheological model, what precautions are necessary to maintain the rheometer, how to use rheometer, construction and working of rheometer. Also they had conducted one yoga session which also helped us to feel cheerful and stressless. So I want to thank all the teachers, AICTE, University Institute of Chemical Technology for conducting this online workshop. Thank you so much.